Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making stir-fried rice noodles. So I will be using the rice noodles that I bought from the store. I have celery chopped one, and I also use smoked chicken sausage. You can use chicken breast, so I will use onion and then mix veggies, that's red bell peppers that I chopped, and I added them all together in a bowl. And then I'll be using dark soy sauce with shrimp. And then what I'll do is to soak it in water. Yes, I'll soak it in water so that it will be softer. Then I have to leave it there for like 5 minutes or lesser or more. So I have to check and see if it's soft, not that soft. In between softness, then I have to sift them and then allow it to drain. So, and then I'll make sure all the waters comes out from the noodles. And in a pot I will add oil. I am going to use this small pan. You can use a deeper pan. So I am going to first fry the shrimps, and then I'll be adding garlic, which is optional. And then I will now add the chicken sausage. Some people use chicken breast. This is what I want to use. So I'm going to stir them and allow them to cook. And then I'm going to add onions. After adding the onion, I let it cook for some time and then add the celery, which is also optional. This is my own recipe, and you can add any veggie you want. So you have to then I stir it, and then I'll add other vegetables, which are the red bell peppers, and then the green bell peppers and the yellow bell peppers. You can add any one you want. This is the way I want it. So I have added the bell peppers. I'll then add them slowly, and then I'll reserve some for later. Yes, because I just want it to be a little bit colorful. And then you have to fry. Don't add water. This is not a place of adding water. There is no need of adding water to this recipe. So I am going to gradually put them in, and then I also, like I said, I will reserve some. So I'm going to stir and allow it to cook. So when I see that it's cooked, I will now put the rice. I am going to now stir them together. If you can see, this pot is too small for this, but then this is what I have. So you can use the bigger one. I have the bigger one though, but it's almost cracky. So I prefer using this one. So you have to stir them in, and what you do, you can add maggi, you can add salt, anything. But I added stock cube powder, my chicken stock cube powder. This is optional as well. So I am also going to add um the soya sauce again. Yeah. So you want to make sure it enters, because this thing looks like abacha. It looks like abacha. That's what we call abacha. So I have the video as well. You can now check to all my videos and see the abacha and see how it looks like after turning them. And it's so yummy. Thank you for watching.